Hello, this is Erin, and I'm going over Enhancement 6 for CIT 336. This week we were working on logging in and logging out clients on the Acme website, and we created an admin view and worked with sessions, and I don't want to repeat myself, so we're just going to go onto the website. So here we go. So if we were to log in, then we will work on, we'll just go to our admin person. Let's see, grab the password and submit. So we now see that we have this new admin user page because the user level was changed to level 3, which means they are allowed on this site. And so we can click on add new product, and we also have this log out button here. And then we connect with the product management, add a new category, add a new product of that lovely stuff that we've been working on previously. And to show, let's see, to show how else, never mind. Okay, so we have our log out, and if we were to go back to our home page, then we still have our log out, which is exactly what we want because we're still logged in. And so if we were to click log out, then I get some errors. And I've worked on this for a couple hours, and so you can see if I go back, it did log me out. So yes, something's broken, and I get that. So let's put me in because I have signed in here also. Never mind, it's not my personal email, it's my email. There we go. Okay, so again, we see that it has the user level 1 and the logout shows again. So here we go. Here's the error. The problem is it doesn't like how my header and nav and footer are being shown. And it's interesting because I have not run into this problem prior to this. It's only with adding the admin view and what we worked on this week. And if I go to my home view, I've played with this a little bit. If I treat this like some of my other pages where I have those views, for instance, product management, just like that for the footer, so I saved that, and we're going to run it again, and it's really unhappy. So other than that, it works. And if I go back to my other page where it originally broke, you can see that the header, footer, nav work again. Something's broken, and after working on it for a couple of hours, I'm not sure quite where to go. But I can log out and log in. I just don't want to log out for real because then I get broken. Thanks!